We gotta buy this. I'm like, we're not buying this. So he went back and bought it. And so they were driving it around the living room and into the Christmas tree.
Good job driving, girls.
It's been a big hit. Well, they're driving very safely. Don't run into Mom. Watch where you're driving.
Good job.
Good job, girls. Was that fun, Allie?
Did you like it? Do you want to drive now? Want to switch? You want to steer?
Get on the other side, honey.
Okay, Mia, it's your turn.
Yep. You have to have a turn. Yay!
Hey, Elle, you're in charge of the pedal, honey. You're not just the shotgun.
You got to put a hand on the wheel, honey. Rudy.